Yes, so that's the right bank of the engine. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it just marvelous, the kind of technology what they used 100 years back? And believe me guys, this amazing engine has got 120 miles on it, which is almost 210 kilometers per hour. That's the speedometer. Wow, I'm gonna get to those electronics. And now I'm back to the 8-cylinder distributor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, look at the kind of finishing, the rail in which the spark plugs come out from. And in case you all are wondering what that is, of course, the fuel filter, steering rack, and this is the carburetor of the vehicle. That's the intake side. So once the engine is started, we're going to show you how the functions of these springs and everything is. And then to accompany these unbelievable headlights, I mean, look at the size of them. Yeah, these are original headlights which we imported from the States. And these fog lamps, and the amazing part about them is these bubbles to set the level. Wow, fantastic.